Okay, assalamualaikum and good evening. For this video, I'm going to discuss on several questions that is related to annuity, right? As you may know that previously in our class, we did discussion on review questions 4, but then we only have times to discuss around 2 questions. So I actually intend to discuss more than that. I prepared around 4 to 5 questions actually. We are going to discuss it through this video. I'm going to actually explain to you guys how actually to answer this question, and there will be several other videos, right? Maybe one video only we only discuss on one question like that, right? So let's look at the first one. This is the questions of review question 4, number 15, right? Okay, Robert bought a piece of land for 100,000. He made an initial down payment of 20,000 and the balance is financed through a bank. For the repayment of the bank loan, he has to pay 1,779.56 a month. Okay, so let's look at the question. Robert here bought a piece of land and initial payment of 20,000 has been made. The balance is financed through a bank. So the loan is actually 80,000. Right? Let's just write it down. So the A is actually 80,000. Okay. And then he has to pay 1,779.56 a month. So this is what actually the equal payment made monthly. So this is the periodic payment, which is R 177 9.56. What else? Okay, now let's move to the question. If the bank's rate is 12% compounded monthly, find the number of monthly payments that will settle the loan. So basically, the number of monthly payments, how many times that Robert need to pay. So this is actually asking us to find the N. So the bank rate is 12% compounded monthly. So basically the I is actually equal to 0.12 over 12, which is 0.01. Okay, now that we have all of the information, let's try to answer question A. So for question A, what is the monthly, how many times that Robert need to pay the N? So we have the information of A. So R and I, so this allows us to use the formula of present value in annuity. So let's actually substitute everything. 80,000 and the R is 1779.56 and the I is actually 0.01. Okay, 0.01. So this is actually after we substitute every information that is available. So that's left us with N. What is actually the answer? So as you know, when the unknown value is in the form of power, well, please expect to use log later to answer the question. Now let's see how to answer it. Okay, so I will just directly calculate it from here. So 80,000, okay, can be divided by this 177, can be divided by R, 177.9.56. So that give you 44.95. Okay, when you divide this, and then 0.01, right, move the left side, multiply, times with 0.01, that give you 0.4495. Now up until this point, let me write it down. I already get 0.4495. It doesn't hurt to write many decimal, right? So 449549. Okay, just put 6 decimal equal to what's left? 1 minus, actually this is what's left. What is left, right? The denominator. So let me just select it. Sorry. The denominator is actually this. Okay. So 1 here, move to the left side, minus 1, so minus 1 will give you negative 0.55. So negative 0.55 045. Okay, so this is equal to this. Now we have a negative on both sides, so this actually can be nullified. So negative become positive. Now the next step is to actually find the n. The next step is we need to move down the n, right? Move down to move it down to the left side here. So when we move the power down, actually we need to add a log function. So hence it become like this. Wait. So log 0.55045 equal to negative n, right? Log this. Okay, let me erase. Alright. So it become like this. So next, because of there is no power anymore here, so we can sum this directly. It becomes log 1.01. So log 1.01, move to the left side. So log 0.55045 over log 1.01. So basically you will get negative n equal to, so log 0.55.045 divided with log 1.01. So you'll get, actually, wait, let me type it again. Sorry, log 0.55045 and log 1.01. So negative 59.99. So negative 59.99, or we can say that it is actually, so negative here can be nullified. So let's just cancel the negative. So 59.99, when you round it up, it is actually, we can say that the n is 60 times. So basically, Robert need to pay 60 times. Okay, that is the answer for A. And then for B and C, I will continue on our next video. Thank you.